Hi, we are at the Land's End Hotel in Cornwall today. We are visiting a job in progress where our company, Conservatory Insulation Specialists, are carrying out a conservatory roof insulation. The conservatory here is approximately 200 square metres in size with a glass roof. At present, sunlight is entering the conservatory and overheats the area in the summertime and is unbearable to use. To prevent this, we have applied a mirrored tinted film to the inside of the glass roof, which reflects the sun's heat. We then apply our multi-foil conservatory roof insulation underneath with a UPVC tongue and groove cladding, which is a bright finish and reflects the interior light. What this conservatory roof insulation will achieve is to keep the space warm in the winter and cool in the summer, to be able to use every day of the year, whatever the weather. I'm joined by Jane, one of the managers here at the Land's End Hotel. So Jane, what do you think of your new conservatory roof insulation?
It's amazing. It blends in so well with the rest of the room. It's like it's always been here.
And can you notice the temperature difference?
Yes, straight away. It's usually really cold in here when there's no heating on, but it's just a nice temperature. So looking forward to when we have the events, and it's really warm outside but nice and cool in here.
And how did you find our fitters during the work being done?
Oh, they've been lovely, so friendly. Yeah, I didn't know they were here half the time.
And would you recommend our company to other conservatory owners?
Absolutely, yeah. 10 out of 10.
Thank you. In the UK, we are currently in a cost of living crisis with energy bills very high. Times can be hard trying to heat your home. We at Conservatory Insulation Specialists can help reduce those bills by insulating your conservatory roof, making it a usable room all year round. You can save an extra 20% VAT on our government-approved conservatory roof insulation. If you'd like a free survey and quote, please call us on this number.